Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Arpita Karwa, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can prepare for UGC NET exam in just 45 days. So alright, let me first start by addressing something I hear from a lot of students. Ma'am, we can't do anything now. Only 1.5 months are left. It's too late. Let me try in the next attempt. And when I tell them that they can absolutely prepare for UGC NET Paper 1 and Paper 2 in just 45 days, I usually get two reactions. Either they laugh and say, "Ma'am, you're joking. It is not possible." And a lot of students would agree, but they would agree by saying that we'll only give 1 week to Paper 1 and put our entire focus on Paper 2 in the next 45 days. And that's how we are going to clear it. But let me tell you, that is not a right strategy at all. In fact, if you prepare for Paper 1 and Paper 2 in 45 days with the right strategy, and that is what I'm going to share in this particular video, I'm telling you that you can confidently crack NET exam. Now, it's okay even if you're starting from scratch. This strategy will help you cover the syllabus, revise, and also give you enough time to solve previous year questions. And all of this will happen in just 45 days. Okay. So if you're interested in turning the next 45 days into a game-changing period for UGC NET preparation, stay tuned, because here's what we are going to cover in this video. We'll be talking about 4 major things. Number 1, strategy to complete the course for both Paper 1 and Paper 2 in just 45 days. Number 2, I'm also going to share how many hours you actually need to study each day. Number 3, I'm going to talk about the overall study plan or a study timetable for the next 45 days. And then I'm also going to give you a daily timetable to help you keep on track. So without any much delay, let's begin. The first important thing that I would want to share with all of you is that before I move further, talk about the strategy, one important rule you have to remember, and that is you need to study for 7 to 8 hours every day, no matter what. And there's no shortcut around it. 45 days ही बचे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, एंड 45 डेज में अगर आपको क्लियर करना है तो 7 to 8 आवर्स आपको पढ़ना ही होगा. 2 घंटे पढ़ के 45 डेज में नेट नहीं क्लियर हो सकता. I know sometimes things happen. Maybe there's a family function, friends want to hang out, or you're just feeling too tired. But if you really want to crack UGC NET Paper 1 and 2 in just 45 days, you must make sure that you study for 7 to 8 hours. Even when it's very difficult, it's very hard, you're very, very demotivated, you don't feel like picking up the book, but still you do it. Now, think of it like a serious promise to yourself. You just cannot skip your study hours. Friends, these 45 days can make all the difference in your life. So you need to stay focused no matter what else is going on. Okay. Now, the second important condition is very simple. You won't get any holidays during these 45 days. This means no breaks on weekends, no time off on public holidays, and yes, even during festivals, you have to study. So, कुछ भी हो, Sunday आए, Monday आए, आपको 45 days dedicatedly पढ़ना है. Now, I know this sounds tough. You might think, weekend है, थोड़ा सा तो break लेना बनता ही है, festival है, let me relax today. But remember, you have only 45 days to prepare. Every day, every minute, every hour counts. So if you skip a day, you will fall behind by 7 to 8 hours. And at this particular time, every hour is very, very crucial. So whether it's Sunday or a festival, treat it like a normal study day. Keep going, keep your focus, and remind that you just have to do this for 45 days. And then you will have plenty of time to celebrate. Okay. Now, let me start by talking about the strategy, and let me break that strategy down into 45 days. So we are going to divide it into 2 parts. First chunk and second chunk. Now, first chunk will be of 35 days when you are going to complete the syllabus for Paper 1 and Paper 2 both. So in the next 35 days, your target should be to cover the syllabus. And then the last 10 days is what we are going to solely focus on solving PYQs and revising. Okay. So let us begin by talking about chunk 1. सबसे पहले, these 35 days are very, very crucial for covering the entire syllabus. ठीक है. Let us start by talking about Paper 1 and then we will take Paper 2. कैसे कैसे cover करना, I'll tell you everything. Now for Paper 1, I've recently written a book that covers all the 10 units of Paper 1, and it has become an Amazon bestseller as well. Now in that book, I've divided all the 10 units of paper 1 into 33 chapters. So जैसे unit 1 है teaching aptitude, उसको मैंने 5 chapters में divide किया है. Now the good news that this division that I've done will help you to cover the entire syllabus in 33 days. For paper 1 I'm talking about. So you can cover 1 chapter per day, which means you will be able to finish the entire syllabus of paper 1 in just 33 days. Now I know that some of you might be wondering that क्यों सारे units पढ़ने, let me leave any unit. But my answer to this would be extreme no. Why? Because like I said earlier, now NTA doesn't ask 5 questions from each unit. It can ask you 8 questions from research aptitude and just 2 questions from communication. So अगर आप research aptitude पूरा छोड़ के चले गए हैं तो आपके direct 16 marks deduct हो जाता है. So hence all the 10 units are very, very important. Now, one thing that I've done in the book is that for all the complex topics, I've made it very, very simple for you. The book includes a lot of images, mind maps, mnemonics, fun Bollywood references, ताकि आपको वो चीज़ें बहुत आसानी से याद हो जाए. Plus, you can scan the QR codes that given in the book to watch videos which are explaining those topics. So इससे क्या होता है कि आपको सब कुछ एक ही जगह मिल जाता है. आपको सिर्फ वो बुक पढ़नी है for the next 33 days and you are sorted. Also, I have included a collection of 3000 plus PYQs जिसके अंदर सारे 2014 से लेके 2023 तक के सारे questions हैं. So, all those PYQs will help you to practice at the end. जो last के 10 days है उसमें आप practice भी वहीं से कर सकते हो. Now, एक चीज़ यहाँ पे समझने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. Remember, we can't cover the entire syllabus in just 35 days. This is very, very clear. So, what you need to do is that you need to do smart work instead of hard work. This brings us to a very interesting idea which is known as the Pareto principle. आप इसके बारे में Google भी कर सकते हैं. Now, this principle says that 20 to 30% of the effort leads to 70 to 80% of the result. Think about it. ये आपकी लाइफ में अप्लाई होगा. आपके जिंदगी के वो 20-25 लोग, आप जितने भी लोगों को जानते हैं, उसमें से 20% लोग ऐसे होंगे जो आपकी लाइफ को 80% इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, जिसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हमारे पेरेंट्स आते हैं कि वो है तो 2 ही लोग, बट उनकी लाइफ में अगर कुछ भी गड़बड़ है तो हमारी लाइफ को 80% तक वो अफेक्ट करता है. आप कंपनीज में देख लीजिए, एवरी कंपनी विल हैव 20% ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट्स जो उनको 80% प्रॉफिट देते हैं, राइट? सेम प्रिंसिपल हमें अप्लाई करना है फॉर आवर प्रिपरेशन. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट 45 days we are going to focus on the Pareto principle and will tackle only the most important and crucial things. Let me decode this in very, very simple words कि when you will go through PYQs, अगर आप paper 1 के PYQs देखते हैं तो आप एक चीज़ notice करेंगे that 70% paper is designed from 20 to 30% of the syllabus. Okay. Hence, by focusing only on this 20-30% most crucial portion, the most high weightage topic, you can secure 70% marks in paper 1. So you don't need to do all the topics. What you have to do is that you have to only focus on the 20-30% of the paper जहाँ से सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. तो 20% 30% टॉपिक्स ऐसे होंगे आपके पूरे सिलेबस में से. हर यूनिट में पेपर 1 में आप देखेंगे कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक है जहाँ से हर बार क्वेश्चन आता है. जैसे रिसर्च में सैम्पलिंग से आएगा ही आएगा, पीपल डेवलपमेंट एनवायरनमेंट से, एयर पोल्यूशन से आएगा ही आएगा. तो अगर आपने वो टॉपिक्स भी कर लिए, अगर सिर्फ उतने से टॉपिक्स भी आपने कवर कर लिए तो आप 70% पेपर को आराम से अटेम्प्ट कर पाओगे. ओके. What I have done in my book is that after thoroughly analyzing the PYQs, I have marked the most important and the most frequently repeated topics in every chapter and I have marked them as exam essential. So आपको दिख जाएगा हर चैप्टर में, हर टॉपिक में कि ये एग्जाम एसेंशियल टॉपिक है. दैट मीन्स ये सबसे ज़्यादा रिपीट हो रहा है, सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रेंड कर रहा है. ओके. सो इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव द टाइम टू कवर द एंटायर चैप्टर इन वन डे, जस्ट फोकस ऑन द एग्जाम एसेंशियल्स ऑफ दैट चैप्टर सो दैट आपने अगर वो भी पढ़ लिया तो आपके मार्क्स सिक्योर है. ठीक है. दिस इज द स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर पेपर 1. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू पेपर 2 इंग्लिश. नाउ ये जो स्ट्रैटेजी मैं आपको पेपर 2 इंग्लिश के लिए दे रही हूँ, ये सेम स्ट्रैटेजी आप अपने दूसरे पेपर 2 सब्जेक्ट के लिए भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. नाउ द सिलेबस फॉर पेपर 2 इंग्लिश इज, as you all know, it is very, very vast, as big as ocean. And covering everything in just 45 days is nearly impossible. Like I've been teaching English literature from past 7 years and since देन आज भी अगर कोई मुझे बोले कि क्या आपने सब पढ़ लिया इंग्लिश में, आई वुड से नो, एंड आई नो दैट दिस आंसर इज गोइंग टू रिमेन कॉन्स्टेंट for the rest of my life, because the syllabus is so vast that you can keep on reading and still you can never come to a conclusion कि आज मेरा syllabus हो गया. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी we are going to do smart work. क्या करेंगे? If you go to my website arpitakarwa.com, I've listed down all the topics, all the writers जहाँ से questions आते हैं UGC NET में, and I've divided it into 13 modules. So I have divided all drama, poetry, fiction, non-fiction for every country: British, American, post-colonial, European, Indian, then literary criticism theory, and there's the entire syllabus which is there in 13 modules. And this is made after thoroughly analyzing PYQs. So जहाँ से भी questions आ रहे हैं PYQs में, उन सबको I have all those writers I've listed in the syllabus, and that is what I'm teaching in my online course. Now, since you have 35 days only to cover the syllabus, what you have to do? You have to again go to the Pareto principle, that you have to identify the most important topics जहाँ से 70% paper बन रहा है. And those 3 important modules, as I always say in my videos, will be British literature, literary theory, and literary criticism. If you've mastered these 3, in that case, you are done with the syllabus. आपने 70-80% syllabus कर लिया है ना, उसके basis पे आप आराम से नेट निकाल सकते हैं. Now in the next 35 days, I would suggest you to only focus on these 3 units. इसके अलावा कुछ और मत पढ़िए. Literary theory, criticism are very very smaller units as compared to all the other units, and therefore इस 2 unit को, criticism and theory को, you can complete without difficulty in 35 days. So आपको इसमें से सब कुछ ही पढ़ना है. However, if we talk about British literature, it's a very very vast unit. Now, if you've seen the recent papers, you will identify that nowadays they are asking most of the questions after Enlightenment age. Okay, so British literature starts from Anglo-Saxon and then ends at postmodern age, जिसको भी मैंने age wise divide किया है मेरे syllabus के अंदर. वहाँ से सबसे ज़्यादा questions जो आ रहे हैं वो 5 ages से आते हैं: Enlightenment, Romantic, Victorian, Modern and Postmodern. So now that you have only 35 days, I would suggest you to only focus on these 5 ages and literary criticism and theory. Now in these ages, focus only on the major writers and their works. We don't have the luxury of time to dive into minor writers. So stick to what is the most important and crucial portion. Now you can check out this syllabus that is there on my website, and then from that particular list, pick up 250 writers from these 3 modules. British, criticism, theory से 250 writers pick कर लो. And your target should be to finish all these 250 writers in next 35 days. Now you must be wondering that 250 writers, how will I finish them in 35 days? But don't worry, I'm going to share that in the next section of this video. ठीक है? So this is all about your preparation strategy for chunk 1, जिसमें हम 35 days में prepare कर रहे हैं. Now let us look at chunk 2. Chunk 2 is the final 10 days when you are going to revise. This is when your syllabus is finished and you are dedicated yourself for revision. So dedicate the last 10 days to pure revision and solving PYQs. This is the most crucial step because this helps you to get a feel of for the type of questions that are going to asked and how to approach them. एक चीज़ बहुत important है, knowledge एक चीज़ है और पेपर कैसे solve करना है उसका skill एक अलग skill है. So आपको knowledge हो रही है in 35 days, बट पेपर कैसे सॉल्व करना है ये स्किल भी आपको डेवलप करना है, एंड दिस विल हैपन इन द लास्ट 10 days. सो यू हैव टू कीप दिस इन माइंड कि लास्ट 10 days में कुछ भी नया नहीं पढ़ना है. ओके, यू विल ऑल्सो स्ट्रेंथन योर रिविजन बिकॉज आपका रिविजन ही है जो आपको एक्स फैक्टर देगा. सब लोग धक्का मार के सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, बट टॉपर वो होता है जो कम से कम 2 से 3 बार पूरा सिलेबस रिवाइज करता है. सो लास्ट 10 days विल be focused on PYQ solving and for revision, and focus on solving as many PYQs as possible in the last 10 days because that is going to boost your confidence and your accuracy. And PYQ सिर्फ उनके टॉपिक्स के सॉल्व करने हैं जो आपने 35 days में कवर किया है. ये काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स गलती करते हैं कि चलो नए नए PYQs करते हैं, अब उसमें नए कॉन्सेप्ट्स आ रहे हैं, आप वो पढ़ने में लग रहे हो और आप रिवाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हो. दिस मिस्टेक यू डोंट हैव टू डू. यू हैव टू फोकस ऑल योर एनर्जी in just doing those 250 writers that you have picked in the beginning. Okay, now let us look at the daily timetable. So, alright, now let's break down your daily study routine. As I mentioned earlier, you need to study around 8 hours every day. Now, we'll divide these 8 hours into 3 parts. जैसे हमने पहले 45 days को 2 parts में divide किया था. Now, we are going to divide it into 3 parts to make the most of your study routine. The first part of the day, first hour जो आप पढ़ेंगे, that first hour of the day should be dedicated to revision. This is when you are going to go over whatever you've studied in the previous day. So, no matter आपका कितना ही syllabus बचा हुआ है, this 1 hour you will not do anything new. You are just going to revise whatever you've studied the previous day. Revision, my friends, is the key to making sure that these concepts stick in your mind. Don't skip this. This is very, very crucial for your preparation. You might study 200 topics. Do not revise them. You will not remember even one topic on the day of the exam. On the other hand, if you are doing just 50 topics but revising them regularly at least 2-3 times before the exam, you will remember all the 50 topics in the exam. So आप देख सकते हैं 200 टॉपिक करने वाला सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा, 50 टॉपिक रिविजन के साथ करने वाला सक्सेसफुल होगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज व्हेन वी स्पेंड 2 hours ऑन पेपर 1. रिमेंबर व्हाट आई सेड अर्लियर कि आई हैव divided the entire 10 units of paper 1 into 33 chapters. So you have to focus on completing 1 chapter per day in these 2 hours. Now, 2 hours में I have written the book in a very simple language. आप उसको एक novel की तरह भी अगर पढ़ेंगे तो आपको सब समझ आएगा. Keep a highlighter in hand. Keep highlighting the important things. I have given you a lot of tables. Summary की sheets मैंने आपको दे दी है ताकि आपको कुछ भी बनाना नहीं पड़े. आपने पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ लिया, लास्ट में आपको एक समरी टेबल मिल जाती है, सारे आपको चीज़ें उसमें याद हो जाती है. So following this approach, you can complete all the 33 chapters in 35 days. And that is how you cover the entire paper 1 syllabus in 33 days. Okay. Now we come on to the third chunk of the day, the third part of the day. And that is the more major part, 5 hours. Now the remaining 5 hours out of the 8 hours, you are going to dedicate to paper 2 preparation. आपका जो भी subject हो, I am going to take example of English literature because that is what I teach. So English literature को आप दे रही है 5 hours. And now in these 5 hours, you are going to target and cover 7 major writers every day. हमने 250 writers pick करे थे पूरे syllabus में से. जो 250 सबसे crucial writers है, उनमें से 7 writers आपको pick करना है रोज. Now stick to the only important writers जैसे Virginia Woolf, T.S. Eliot, Alexander Pope, all the important ones you have to do on a regular basis. कोई भी minor writers मत लीजिएगा. ये जो major writers है इनको detail में पढ़िए. Focus on their major works, focus on their minor works, chronology याद करिए. Do all of the things that you can do for a writer. So rather than studying 5 writers, I'm telling you कि आपको एक writer detail में पढ़ना है 1 घंटे के अंदर. Now what I do in my video course is that I explain every writer and each of their works in 10-12 minutes के छोटे छोटे animated videos. कि अगर आपको let's say Paradise Lost आप पढ़ रहे हैं, now it is a very very major work. उसको मैंने 10 से 12 मिनट में आपको उसका पूरा समरी बता दिया है, क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आपको एग्जाम के हिसाब से याद रखने हैं वो बता दिया. सो इस तरीके से आपने मिल्टन का एक इतना बड़ा वर्क 10 मिनट के अंदर खत्म कर दिया. सो अगर आप मेरे कोर्स में भी इनरोल्ड है, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू कि पिक अप 1 राइटर. लेट्स से यू पिक्ड अप चार्ल्स डिकेंस. नाउ चार्ल्स डिकेंस पढ़ा, उसके जितने भी मेजर वर्क्स जिनकी मैंने आपको समरी के वीडियोस दिए हैं वो आपने देखे 10-10 मिनट्स ईच. 1 घंटे में आपका चार्ल्स डिकेंस कंप्लीट एंड यू आर थरो. Okay, with that topic. So if you follow this and cover 7 writers daily, you will finish easily 250 writers. आप calculate कर सकते हैं. 35 days into 7 is 250 writers आप cover कर लेंगे exam point of view से in just 35 days. Now यहाँ पे एक catch है कि मैंने क्यों बोला है कि 5 hours में 7 writer, because हर writer में आपको 1 घंटा नहीं लगेगा. कुछ writers छोटे भी होंगे जिनके ज़्यादा works नहीं है, so वो आप half an hour 45 minutes में कर लेंगे. So overall 7 writers आप 5 hours के अंदर कर लेंगे. Okay, so this is how you have to structure your entire day. Lastly, one important disclaimer, and this is going to be the most important thing that I would want to tell you. Since we have limited time, restrict your resources. Try to stick to one book or one teacher. Don't get overwhelmed and confused by your friend's strategy and you are applying that. Focus on quality over quantity. कम राइटर्स करना है बट इतने अच्छे से करना है कि उस राइटर से कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए आप सॉल्व कर पाए. दैट शुड बी योर स्ट्रैटेजी. ओके, Using this, you can easily cover majority of the syllabus in the next 45 days. I wish you all the best for the preparation. That's it from my side for this video lecture. I'll meet you very soon in the next video lecture. Till the time we meet next, happy learning, keep loving literature, and stay tuned to arpitakarwa.com.